If you never had Jamaican callaloo rice cooked in coconut cream like this, you are seriously missing out. Today, I am going to show you how to make it step by step. Fluffy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. First, we're going to prepare the callaloo. So start by stripping the callaloo stalk, and you might notice a thin stringy outer layer on the stem. That's the fibrous part. So peel that off because it can be tough when cooked. Next, remove any bad leaves. We only want to keep the fresh green ones. Now I am going to cut the callaloo into small pieces, just like this. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Now I am going to wash the callaloo in warm salt water, and the reason for this is that the warm salt water helps loosen dirt and sand, and the salt helps remove any tiny insects and bacteria that might be hiding in the leaves. So I am adding some salt to warm water and letting the callaloo soak in for about 10 minutes. After that, drain and rinse it. And for this recipe, I will be using bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, green onion, red onions, and thyme. In a skillet, add some olive oil, not too much. You can use butter if you like. Next, I'm going to add my red onions, green onions, bell pepper, garlic. Stir and let it saute for about 2 minutes. Now add the chopped callaloo. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and all-purpose season. Stir everything together and cover. Let it steam for about 10 minutes. While the callaloo is steaming, wash your rice until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and helps the rice cook nice and fluffy. I will be using this coconut milk cream. You can use the coconut powder or you can grate the coconut if you like. It has been 10 minutes. The callaloo has steamed down nicely. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. Cover and let that cook down for another 2 minutes. Now add the washed rice. Water, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. Cover and let it steam on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it is finished steaming, you're going to go ahead and remove the pepper and the thyme stalk, fluff, and serve. It is so delicious and you should definitely give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipe.